just got a call from a good company we work with. Jeff's towing up here out of Madisonville for a loaded flatbed pick and swing.
Look at that through the wheel.
No, these will go through the wheel. I'm gonna put those two. Yeah. You never used them? Really? Let me make you feel better. And I'm gonna put two of them in the far wheel. So we'll be well overrated there. And then I'm gonna run the blue strap from those so I can get plenty of height and not have my cables against his load there. Yeah, Matt thought the same thing. It drives him nuts, everything I use them for.
Yeah.
But I mean, I've never broke one. I broke a blue strap, I've never broke one of those.
What do you think? What road that day now? We broke that just in a week.
Yeah, right?
There's no way.
Can't believe you ain't got no rim slings.
Right.
These things are the way of the future, buddy. Watch, they'll fail on me today because you're questioning them. It's like synthetic winch line.
Don't get there.
He said, good for it.
That's it.
It can be synthetic winch line all at once. We'll go grab a master link. I would say it's only about halfway up the wheel. Hey, probably ought to leave my phone back here just to be safe. I know my luck. That thing can go bloop, we never find it again.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Where's your sense of adventure, Jeff?
Right.
Where's your sense of adventure? We could hook to the rub rail.
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
Be like that guy that was trying to pull that TMC truck out. It's a little soft down there.
Really?
Yeah. Do you know why?
I don't know why.
I don't seem to know why. Damn it, I didn't want to get them all soaking wet, but whatever. Where's the valve stem? Holy shit, you believe the valve stem's not straight up? Yeah. Thank you. Give me my hand back. Ugh. All right.
You got a big red thing?
Yep. Slide that gray thing on the end of that strap first, and then just hand me the strap. Yep, perfect. Jeff. I'm getting wet. It's not cool, man.
Can't help you.
Oh, that is not fat guy material right there.
Pounds.
Yeah, they're astronomically heavy. It is a tad bit ridiculous, if you do ask me. Oh, you little bastard. Of course. Every time. There we go. That should do it. Oh, foot got stuck down there. Oh.
I need to really crack the brake.
Absolutely not. Everything's set, right? Truck and trailer?
No, I can set the trailer.
Yeah, set everything. Shackles on that beam. There we go. Now we're lifting the axle. Oh, okay. I was over here showing 92% capacity. I was like, I switched it to 4-part line. We're good. We're down to 40 now. $49. Foot's still on the ground. That tire, okay. There she is. Still ain't got no faith in those? They're in perfect condition. They're my babies. Better than dragging chains out.
Chain.
I tell you what, them are stronger than a 1/2 inch grade 100 chain. You just got to protect them. What's the limit on a 1/2 inch grade 100? 15,000 in a straight line. Those are 18.9 in a straight line.
Surprised ain't nothing broke.
Rotators do that for you. They keep your not broken shit not broken.
Now I gotta figure out how to turn around.
Yeah. It's the only downfall.
I'm gonna slide these rear axles up. So I can maybe turn that easy, a little bit easier.
You didn't think they'd do it, did you? You have no faith. You have no faith in the younger generation, sir.
You're right. Y'all are arrogant motherfuckers.
I don't count. I don't count as a younger generation.
Don't count.
I was born in the wrong generation.
There you go. Stay busy with it?
Relatively. It's hard because the area's never had one. So nobody knows how useful it is.
Oh, yeah.
Of course, and then nobody wants to pay either, so. I think it'll get busier the longer we have it and the more people see it. It's made so many jobs so useful, it's almost not worth getting rid of. You know, even in the sense of if it's not busy. Yeah, D&G's up there, yeah. And we've already got a working relationship with D&G to where if we need him, he'll come help us. Yeah. So if you end up needing two, you can call us both and we'll work together. We're already squared away.
We use D&G all the time. Y'all got this one.
Yeah. What happened with that crane? That one you said a wrecker hauling a crane?
Crane. It's like a big old
bucket truck. I saw it, yeah. Right there at the off ramp for Penny Ryle onto the WK.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a crane.
I was excited. I was like, come on, Jeff.
Yeah,
But we had, I had a driver heading up to Dawson to pick up a box truck in our medium duty, and he sent me a video of it. And I was like, that's got to be what it is. Surely Jeff can get that up.
What happened? Oh, something broke. Something broke.
Was that wrecker that was there towing it?
Yeah.
Oh man.
I said, are you sure something broke or you didn't have it tied down good enough? Wow, something broke. I said, how you gonna get back to Louisville? I'm gonna tow it. I said, something broke.
Yeah, I thought something broke. Jeff's good people. For those of you that don't know, Jeff is a very good family friend of the Riddles. Let's see if this guy can get out of here. I slid up that far, he ought to be able to make that corner. He should have never tried that with a spread. Knowing you have a slide axle, he should.
He came out. He came down that road.
That's what I'm saying. Knowing he has a slide axle.
Yeah.
How hard is the turn down there? He may be better off just.
Oh, it's round curve, round curve, round curve. How'd you make the fairway like that? It's rough.
I bet. Well, no one went exactly as planned. It wasn't too bad at all. Nice and easy. So he's going to back down the road here a little ways. I'm going to wait for him. Jeff, he dipped out. He's got other calls to get to. So I'm grateful for Jeff calling us out here to help him out with this job. As you heard, me and him were talking about, there was a time where we would have tried that with a 25 tonner like what he had, but it's just not worth it anymore in the sense of the risk involved. That thing was buried down in there. I mean, even with my sensors in a 4-car line, I was still showing 50% capacity, so there's no telling what it'd be on a 25 or a 35 ton. So anyway, that's the end of that one. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye.